value of x is f of x equals 2. In the last part, find the domain and range of the function. Find the domain and range of the graph. So here, everybody, in order for us to do it, what we have to do is, we're going to label the order pairs, okay? That's the best way to go. Remember I said it. So this order pair I can label it. This order pair I can label. This one I can label. So these are the easier ones to label it, which are exactly on the line, on the boxes. So please tell me, if I label this order pair, what is it? 1, 2, and 3. 3 and 2. Is that correct? So I have one order pair 3, 2. Yes? How about this order pair? The one is on the box. 1, negative 1. Is that right? How about this one? The one is on the box. 0, negative 1. Do you guys agree it's correct? How about this one? Negative 2, 1. Is that right? Yes? So I did some of them which I can see from my eyes that, you know what, they're on the box, so it's easier to label it. Is that correct? And now the question is, find f of g, okay? F of 3. Not g, but f of 3. So please tell me, when you compare this graph of the function with the question, we knew that when we were talking about the function definition, we knew that y is nothing but what? F of x. Is that correct? That was the function definition. Is that right? So now when you compare it, let's take a look. We're going to compare this with your function definition, okay? So let's write it here. When we were doing the function definition, we were saying y equals f of x. So when I compare my question here, I'm going to write this, f of 3. Is that right? What I'm looking for?
Y.
The y. So my question, everybody, in this order pair, do you have somewhere your x coordinate is 3?
Yeah. Yes.
Your x coordinate is 3. What is your y value? 2. That's your answer. Can you see that?
Yeah.
Yes? So what did we do? Please tell me for this graph. Label the order pairs first and then compare with the function definition. Is that right?
Yeah.
So for x equals 3, my associated value for the given function is what? 2. Yes? So the value of the function at 3 is nothing but what?
2.
Yes? Let's try the second one. Hey everybody, is here somewhere my x is -1 and I'm looking for the value of y.
Yes, 0.
Where is it?
You wrote it wrong though. It's -1, 0.
No. This guy is 1 comma, this guy is 1 comma -1, right?
Yeah.
But what we are looking for is x equals -1.
Yeah.
So x equals, oh yes, -1 comma, Jose, you're the one, give me that.
I know. Sorry.
That's okay. Okay, so -1 comma.
Too fast.
I know. Because I want to, before they come, I want to finish it. So here everybody, x equals -1, what is my y value?
0.
0. Can you see how easy it is? Yes? So we plug it in, y equals f of x equals f of -1, my value of the given function giving me what? 0. So we're done with that part.
So the next one is -1.
Let's take a look, Ruben.
Yeah.
Hey guys, Ruben says that is -1. Is that right?
Yes.
Yeah.
X equals 1. What is your y value? -1. Yes? So that is -1. Okay, this I need your help now. I really need your help. Here it's opposite. If you compare this with the function definition, let me do number 4, okay, so you can see it. If I compare this with my function definition, here I have given f of x equals 2, what I'm looking for.
Why?
What I'm looking for.
X.
My x.
That's
Now Now the question is, in here, in the order pair, sometimes the question will say this, so be careful. They can say for what values. Sometimes you can have more than one x values that give you your y equals 2. Okay, so be careful, and it's about values. But here it says what value, so you have only one value. So where do you think, everybody, your y is equals 2?
3.
3.
Exactly, so what x value?
3.
3, here you go. So my x equals 3 when I